Hello, this is Steve Malone with Compass of X. I hope you're doing well today and you get some good trades. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to move indicators and templates from one MetaTrader 4 platform over to another MetaTrader 4 platform. And specifically, this video is for our clients who have recently been moved from FXDD over to FXCM. With the recent decision of FXDD to close their U.S. operations and continue their offshore operations like the FXDD Malta and FXDD Bullion, our U.S. FXDD clients have been moved over or transferred to FXCM. And we still have some folks wanting to know, how do I move my indicators and how do I move my templates from one platform to another? Open up your platforms. You can see that they're very similar here. I've got the FXDD on the left, FXCM on the right. And for continuity's sake, I've got the same currency pairs. You can see the Market Watch window. You can see the Navigator window. Pretty much all the same here. Now, first thing first, we're going to go up to the FXDD, the first MetaTrader 4 platform, and go to File, Open Data Folder. When you open up the data folder, a window like this will appear. I'm going to move this because this one is for FXDD. Now, something new within the recent Build 600s, Build 610, Build 625, and higher, every terminal, MetaTrader 4 terminal, has a specific number. So this number here represents the FXDD MetaTrader 4 on my computer. Now, when I go over to the FXCM, you'll see something similar. I'll go to File, Open Data Folder, and you'll see this window will appear. And again, a bit different number, but still a terminal window. So you can see they're both terminal windows. And then I've got a number specific to the FXCM platform on my computer. Now, you can see that the files are very similar. And first thing first, I'm going to start with the templates folder since it's already sitting right there in front of us. Click on the templates folder for FXDD. I'm going to come over here and click on the templates folder for FXCM. Now you can see there's a bit of difference between them. I've already done the installation of dots with FXCM, did a new installation, so my dots templates are there. But what I don't have is some of the other templates that I've developed. For instance, my default template. It's a bit different. As you can tell that I had a little bit different candle colors from one to the other. And this one being black and white candles, as you can see on the FXCM, where I have a default template in FXDD that my candles are green and red. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just simply going to move that default template from FXDD over to FXCM. Now there's a couple ways you could do this. What you could do is simply click on it, right click on it, select copy, then come over to the FXCM window here and go paste, and it's there. So I basically copied it from one and dropped it into the other one. Now, since I'm really not going to be using the FXDD platform anymore, I'm really going to be concentrating on just the FXCM platform, well, there's probably an easier step you can do. Notice that I've got some synergy templates right down here. You can simply come in here and you can click on one and you can literally drag it and drop it over, and it will move it from one to the other. So I'll drag and drop, and then again drag, drop it over, and drag, click. I'm just simply click and drag, and that's just pretty easy. Now I've moved them all over, but again, if you want to do the copy and paste, you can do that as well if you want to maintain your first platform, the FXDD platform that I'm showing. Now, just to test this, for instance, I want to see if that default template works now like we have over here. So this is my default template in FXDD. And what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to right click on my chart, select template, I'm going to select that default template, and voila. They're exactly the same. That's exactly what I wanted. I simply want to replicate what I have in FXDD, I have in the FXCM. Okay, next step is to move indicators. Again, the same process. We're going to go to File, Open Data Folder. There's the window for FXDD. I'm going to go to the MQL4 folder, and you'll find there's indicators in that folder. You'll also notice that there's experts and scripts, and you have some other ones here. I'll do the same thing over here. I'll go to File, Open Data Folder. Move this one right over here again. You'll note that specific number for my FXCM compared to the specific number for my FXDD account. I'll go to MQL4, and there's my indicators. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is, let me see what I have in here. I've got in here, you can see I've got a few. There's my ADR calculator. Let me go over to the FXCM. Okay, I just have more or less just the basic indicators that already come with the platform. But what I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to copy this, and then I can paste it right over here. Go right click, select paste, and there it is. I can also simply select and drag and drop. Select, drag and drop. And let me see here, I had a few other ones here like my Synergy ones. There we go. So I can come right over here. I can copy these and bring them over here and paste them, and there they are. Now then, one thing you'll need to know about when it comes to indicators is if I go over here and I select custom indicators, you can see that I've got my Synergy indicators right there. The Synergy average price bars, Synergy TDI, they're sitting right there. But if I go over to FXCM, they're not there. But yet I just moved them over. What you'll need to do is close the FXCM platform. Then what you'll want to do is open it back up. And when you open it back up and you look in the custom indicators folder, you'll note that there they are. Now at this point, you can simply test your indicators and templates. I'm going to double click on the Trader's Dynamic Index. In some instances, you need to make sure that Allow DLL Imports is checked. You can modify your inputs if need be and simply apply it. Also, you could apply one of the templates that we moved over. There's the Synergy Basic template, and there it is. So they're working on the new platform. So again, the key in all of this is simply go to File, Open Data Folder. That was for the FXDD, and File, Open Data Folder, and this is for the FXCM. And you're simply going to move indicators over via the MQL4 folder. There's indicators there. Indicators, open it up, and move indicators one to the other. Okay? You're going to do the same thing with templates. Open up your templates, open up the templates. You can copy and paste or click and drag. Now, one question that's been asked is, what about profiles? Can I move profiles one to the other? In some instances you can, in some instances you can't. You can try it, but the unique thing about profiles is profiles are based upon previously designed charts, previously designed templates. And if you don't move all the indicators over properly, or you don't have all the proper settings in the new platform, then the profiles will not work properly. So my suggestion is, if you're going into a new platform, create a new profile and save that profile in the new platform. I hope some of the information I've shown you today will help you to move the indicators and templates over. Just remember this: there's going to be some custom indicators and some expert advisors that will not be able to copy and paste from one to the other. You're going to have to do a new installation. And before you do that new installation, my recommendation is to go to your control panel, programs, and uninstall that custom indicator or expert advisor. Then download and install the new MetaTrader 4 platform, the FXCM MetaTrader 4 platform, and then do a new install of that custom indicator like DOTS or your expert advisor. Well, this is Dean Malone with Compass FX. Y'all make it a great day. Get some good trades. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.